You get home after work, drop your bag, and just collapse. You tell yourself, I'll go to the gym later, maybe cook something healthy. 3 hours later, you're half asleep and watching some random show you don't even like. Sound familiar? You're not lazy, you're burnout. And that burnout, it's silently killing your motivation, your focus, and even your ability to enjoy life after work. So today I'm going to show you why you keep burning out every day and how to stop it for good. Stick with me till the end, because I promise you, if you apply what I'm about to share, you'll finally have energy left after work to live your life. Adulting is basically a full-time sport. You work all day and then society expects you to come home, meal prep, meditate, hit the gym, journal, read 10 pages, call your mom and get 8 hours of sleep. Brother, there are only 24 hours in a day, not 240. But here's the thing. The reason you feel drained after work isn't just because of work. It's because of how you're working and what's happening in your brain all day long. Here's the sciencey truth. Every time you switch tasks, answer an email, sit in a meeting that could have been an email, or fake a smile for Karen from HR, your brain uses energy, not physical energy like lifting weights, but mental energy. And most people spend their workday in constant fight or flight mode. Stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline are spiking nonstop. By the time you get home, your brain isn't tired, it's fried. The worst part? You don't recharge it properly. You just scroll or binge Netflix, which gives your brain fake rest. It feels relaxing, but it doesn't actually refill your energy. All right, let's fix this. Here are 5 proven ways to stop burning out after work and actually have energy left for your goals, your health, and, happiness. Tip number 1, stop burning energy you don't have to. You're not a robot, so stop pretending to be one. At work, you don't have to crush it every single hour. Use micro breaks. Even 2 minutes to stretch, breathe, or close your eyes can lower cortisol and keep your brain from overheating. And please stop eating lunch in front of your computer like a prisoner of productivity. You deserve sunlight and air, my friend. Tip number 2, separate work brain from home brain. Your brain doesn't have a switch, but it does have associations. When you work in the same space you rest in, your mind gets confused. It thinks it's still on. So create a shutdown ritual, something that signals work is over. It could be as simple as going for a 5-minute walk. Make your brain believe the day is done. Tip number 3, fix your dopamine diet. After work, you usually chase quick dopamine. Scrolling, snacking, Netflixing. That's like feeding your brain candy when it actually needs protein. Instead, go for slow dopamine, something that makes you feel good after doing it, not just during. Read something you actually enjoy. Stretch. Go outside. Talk to an actual human. Crazy, I know. Tip number 4, move your body. Even if you're tired, move a little. Physical movement clears mental fatigue. It literally flushes out stress hormones. You don't need to crush a workout. A 10-minute walk after work is enough to change your brain chemistry. Tip number 5, protect your energy like it's money. Say no more often. Don't overload your evenings with obligations. If your social life feels like another job, you're doing it wrong. So let's recap, because this is where most people nod, agree, and then do nothing. Take real breaks during work. Create a shutdown ritual. Avoid fake rest. Go for real recovery. Move your body, even a little. Protect your energy like it's gold. If you do these 5 things for even 1 week, you'll notice a massive shift. You'll still have energy after work to work on your side projects, your health, your relationships, and your life. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button and join the free newsletter. Thanks for watching.